Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can enable blue light filter on Windows 11. So I'll be showing you the steps on how you can do it. So make sure to follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing, open up your PC, and once you open up your PC, tap on the Windows tab in the bottom left corner, or you can simply tap it from the keyboard as well. So as you click on it, a pop-up will appear right in center, and then in the search box you need to type in display and click on the display settings. You'll be directed to the settings page, and on this interface in the right hand side corner you can see there is night light. In order to enable it, all you need to do is toggle the switch just like that, and as you can see that you've enabled the blue light feature on Windows. If you want to make some changes with the color contrast, then you need to click on the arrow icon just next to the switch. You can see there is a sensor, and as you can see that you'll be able to manage the color contrast on your Windows. So that is how you can enable blue light filter on Windows. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.